ಸ್ವಾಗತ ಪ್ರೊಫೆಸರ್ KS ನಾರಾಯಣಾಚಾರ್ಯ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ. Now may I request Shri Nilesh Ogji, most welcome to you, Ashokji. May I request Shri Nitin Sridharji to please come out to the dais. Most welcome to Bhagini Sai Swarupayarji. Warm welcome to you, Shiv Shastriji. So now may I request all the esteemed dignitaries onto the dais to please light the lamp on the herald the inauguration of this auspicious event.
Today I stand here connecting the dots, wondering and thinking, how did this all happen?
We will be releasing 2 books today. One is the Samanya Dharma by Nitin Sridharji. The other one is Namaste 2020, which is a Hindu Panchanga diary.
To learn about and discuss about 3 important concepts: Hinduism, its antiquity, and what you now call India. What should have been called Bharatavarsha, Bharatakhanda. People have created confusion by creating numbers of Ramayana, numbers of Mahabharata.
Pratyaksha, Anumana, Agama, Pramanani. That's how you get to the truth. That is the method to get to the truth. Some of it could be right, some of it could be wrong. So you have to follow the path of Shraddha, Virya, Smriti, Samadhi, Prajna, Purvakam. You have to do all this quadrangulation to get to the truth. Okay?
He has now devoted himself to the yeoman task of researching the original Valmiki Ramayana in Sanskrit and reconnecting today's youth with the epic.
My work is on researching the original Valmiki Ramayana and reconnecting today's youth with it. Before I make some comments on that, I would like to show you an example of that. So,
this is Valmiki Ramayana, Season 1, Episode 13, Ganga. Always the wise old men telling the ever-enthusiastic youngsters to go to bed. Iti ha asa. That is how it happened.
Karunapatram Bharati Padabhushanam Bharati Padamarodham Bharati Tirthamashray Vidya Vinaya Sampannam Vitaragam Vivekinam Vande Vedanta Tattvajam Yudhishekara Bharati.
Ramo Vigrahavan Dharma. He is the very embodiment, personification of Dharma. Why he says so? Because by reading Ramayana we can learn to be like Rama.
Draupadi as the Ichha Shakti of Mahabharata. I know for Indian women, Sita and Draupadi, they occupy a very special place in the heart of every Indian woman.
I must thank Nilesh for inviting me here. This is a book that I've been working on for the past 7 years. It's done now. Hopefully I'll get it out in the next few months. So I'm dead certain that the earliest Vedas probably started much earlier than 10,000 BC.
So this is the first time I was able to have it done in a formal manner, where you should have the chariot and driver. That kind of a chariot, lightweight, it should be driven by war horse, not ass, not bull.
Now we come to the most awaited debate. In fact, this debate will be between Nilesh ji and Vijit Nagmuri Raviji.
Thanks Subbu Publications and the related organizer to really give me this opportunity to moderate a very interesting debate.
Your take on how much text you have taken from the Mahabharata?
I mentioned that 300 plus astronomy observations.
I will least expect that Nilesh says I have nothing from Mahabharata. I have the biggest website on Mahabharata, Ancient Voice, which the 23,700 pages dedicated to Mahabharata, data points from Mahabharata, Ramayana, Vishnu Puran and 4 Vedas.
You started with genealogy, right? Your first problem is that you said there are 40 generations.
30 to 40.
Thank you so much. Tradition that we have, that thoughts can be different, but ultimately the concept of debate should go on. Thank you. I thank all the panelists.
Namaste, all of you. It's my first encounter with our dear friends, Mr. Subramania and Mr. Ritvik. India is the spiritual engine of this world. Spiritual engine not just because we have just been producing masters.
ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ ಉಲ್ಲಾಳ್ ಅವರು ಹೊಸ ಕಾಲದ ಸಂಗೀತದ ಯೋಗಿಗಳು. ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಈ ಸಮಾರೋಪದ ಮಾತುಗಳು ಸುಬ್ಬು ಪ್ರಕಾಶನದ ಮುಂದಿನ ಹೆಜ್ಜೆಗೆ ಒಂದು ದಾರಿದೀಪ ಆಯಿತು. ಇದೊಂದು ಹೊಸ ಬಗೆಯ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್. ಬೆಂಗಳೂರಲ್ಲಿ ಪ್ರತಿನಿತ್ಯ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ಕಾರ್ಯಕ್ರಮಗಳು ಜರುಗ್ತವೆ, ಈ ಥರ ಈ ಹಿಂದೂಸಮ್, ಇಂಡಿಯಾ ಮತ್ತು ಆ್ಯಂಟಿಕ್ವಿಟಿ ಈ ವಿಷಯದ ಮೇಲೆ ಇಷ್ಟೊಂದು ದೀರ್ಘವಾದ ವರ್ಕ್ಶಾಪ್ ಕಾರ್ಯಾಗಾರ ಆಗಿದ್ದು ನನಗೆ ಗೊತ್ತಿಲ್ಲ. ಇವತ್ತು ಅದನ್ನು ಸುಬ್ಬು ಪ್ರಕಾಶನ ಸಾಧ್ಯ ಮಾಡಿದೆ. ಅಭಿವಂದನೆಗಳನ್ನು ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳನ್ನ ಸಲ್ಲಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ. ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ಹಿರಿಯರಾದ KS ನಾರಾಯಣಾಚಾರ್ಯರು ಅಮೋಘವಾದ ಉದ್ಘಾಟನಾ ಭಾಷಣ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರು. ನಮ್ಮ ಹಿಂದೂ ಧರ್ಮ, ಹಿಂದೂ ಸಂಸ್ಕೃತಿ ಇವುಗಳ ಬಗ್ಗೆ ಏನೆಲ್ಲ ನಮಗೆ ತಿಳಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ರು. KS ನಾರಾಯಣಾಚಾರ್ಯರು ಅದರೊಳಗೆ ಮುಖ್ಯವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಬೆಳೆಸಿದ್ರು. ಹಾಗೆ ನೀಲೇಶ್ ಓಕ್ ಅವರು ಕೂಡ ಅದ್ಭುತವಾಗಿ ನಮ್ಮನ್ನು ಹೊಸ ಪರಿಗದತ್ತ ಕೊಂಡೊಯ್ದರು. ಯಶೋದೀಪ್ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಇವತ್ತಿನ ಇವರೆಲ್ಲ ಸಂಪನ್ಮೂಲ ವ್ಯಕ್ತಿಗಳು. ನಿತಿನ್ ಶ್ರೀಧರ್ ಇಲ್ಲಿದ್ದಾರೆ. ಸಾಯಿ ಸ್ವರೂಪ್ ಅಯ್ಯರ್, ಶಿವಶಾಸ್ತ್ರಿ, ಜಿಜಿತ್ ನಡುಮಾರ್ ರವಿ, ಆಭಾಸ್ ಮಾಲ್ದಿಹಾರ್, ಡಾಕ್ಟರ್ ಪ್ರದೀಪ್ ಉಲ್ಲಾಳ್ ಈ ಎಲ್ಲರೂ ನಮಗೆ ಅಮೋಘವಾದ ದರ್ಶನವನ್ನು ಇವತ್ತು ಒದಗಿಸ್ಕೊಟ್ರು. ಈ ಎಲ್ಲರಿಗೂ ನಾನು ಸುಬ್ಬು ಪ್ರಕಾಶನ ಮೂಲಕ ಅದರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಮತ್ತು ತಾವೆಲ್ಲ ಸೇರಿದ ಈ ಹೃದಯ ಸಂಪನ್ನರ ಪರವಾಗಿ ಕೃತಜ್ಞತೆಗಳನ್ನ ಅರ್ಪಿಸ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೇನೆ.